And new here at 6 o'clock, the Travis County Clerk makes a change after KXAN investigated complaints from Republican poll watchers. The battle is over whether the clerk has the legal authority to separate poll watchers from the ballot counting room and keep them in this so-called media room. The final ballot count is still wrapping up tonight. Obstructing an appointed poll watcher is a crime in Texas. KXAN investigator Jody Barr broke this investigation last week. He brings us tonight's development from outside the clerk's office.
Well, the county wrote in a response to the Texas Supreme Court that the clerk will now allow poll watchers out of that media room and into the room where the ballot counting is happening. But poll watchers involved in this litigation tell me this is all too little, way too late.
This photo best illustrates the divide between the Republican poll watchers and Travis County ballot counters. The county clerk has agreed to allow poll watchers out of this room and into the ballot counting room on a rotating basis. This court filing shows the clerk also directed her staff to only use computers with screens facing poll watchers, so none of them are hidden.
Is this too little, too late?
Well, you know, after the body's already hit the floor, it's a little late to say, I promise never to do it again. But better late than never, I guess. There are upcoming elections.
John Wood and his wife, Cornelia Foster, filed a complaint about being sequestered in the media room to observe the July elections. A complaint the Secretary of State asked the Attorney General to investigate.
With the clerk taking this step at this point, a week after the election, does this for you repair anything that has happened since July?
Well, you know, it's a temporary measure, which means it could be changed at any moment afterwards.
Poll watcher Jennifer Fleck was also asked to stay inside the clerk's media room last week. She sees this change as a move in the right direction.
To make a change this drastic with that arrangement, is that any sort of admission?
I do think it's an admission that the poll watchers were being sequestered and were being obstructed. The poll watchers are meant to be guardians of the election. That's why both parties can send their own candidates in there to perform those duties. And so I don't know what's happened nefarious or fraudulently in this election because we don't have a full picture. We don't have the audit logs. But if you don't have anything to hide, then why are you trying to hide?
Well, there is still a catch. Nothing in the clerk's response indicates that this is permanent. In fact, her changes refer to, quote, the limited remaining time that counting will take place for this election. The clerk has not responded to our request for an interview or to let us get inside to show you this new setup. From the Travis County Clerk's Office, Jody Barr, KXAN Investigates.
And Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick is making national headlines tonight. An email today from his campaign says Patrick will offer up to $1 million to, quote, incentivize, encourage, and reward people to come forward and report voter fraud. He's asking whistleblowers and tipsters to turn over their evidence to local law enforcement. Patrick's campaign says he will pay a minimum of $25,000 to anyone who provides information that leads to an arrest and final conviction for voter fraud. KXAN's John Engel is exploring the politics of this announcement. Have an update for us tonight at 9 and 10.